Mr. Perez, I apologize. I'm trying to beat the clock here in the last question. I'm afraid that I'm traveling. So let me just recap here on that one. Will you tell us here today simply that this administration's Department of Justice will never entertain or advance a proposal that criminalizes speech against any religion?
Sir, I want to, as I said before, you referenced as context for your question.
Well, there's no context on this question. I'm just asking you.
There actually was.
Asking you. All right. Let me ask a new question. Will you tell us here today that this administration's Department of Justice will never entertain or advance a proposal that criminalizes speech against any religion?
Well, again, sir,
well, that's not a hard question, Mr.
Well, actually,
Perez.
it is a hard question in the sense that when you make threats against someone, I'm going to
I'm asking you here today, will you tell us here today that this Department of Justice will never entertain or advance a proposal to criminalize speech against any religion?
Again, sir, if you have a proposal that you are considering, we will actively review that proposal.
Okay, here's my proposal. Here's my proposal. I'm asking you to answer a question. That's my proposal. I'm proposing that you answer this question. Will you tell us here today that this administration's Department of Justice will never entertain or advance a proposal that criminalizes speech against any religion?
Again, sir, if you give
me
the context
Mr. Chairman,
of the question,
would the gentleman yield for a second?
To conduct
I will not yield, but I will let
I think we can straighten this out.
I will not yield.
You're not interested in an answer, then?
I've tried to get an answer 4 times.
If I rephrase the question, you may get an answer.
I appreciate that, but I'm asking my own questions. I'll certainly allow you to ask yours.
The Chairman is taking a second round. Could I ask a question, then, Mr. Perez?
If we take a second round.
We just did.
No, we didn't. No, I'm yielded time.
Oh.
Anyway, I'm going to get an answer to a fairly basic question here. If the Department of Justice can't even answer the question whether they will entertain or advance a proposal that criminalizes speech against any religion, then it's pretty late in the day. So I'm going to